I'm product manager for NVIDIA at Automotive. One of the things that I would like to show you today is some technology that we're bringing to automotive for our next generation SoC, which is Logan or Tegra 5. Because we've taken a desktop professional graphics class GPU and are putting it in the mobile embedded environment, it allows us to take a lot of the features and the capabilities from professional graphics and bring them into automotive. Here we've taken a technology that we developed for supercomputing and professional graphics called material description language, and that really allows for the high quality rendering of materials where we've scanned the physical properties of the materials. The reason that's important for digital clusters is we're really trying to close the gap between having something that's digital, flexible, configurable with the real visceral experience and the connection that the driver has to the car through his gauges. So let me show you here. A lot of the materials that you're seeing here, we're doing this physical simulation and rendering. And what I'll do is I'll change some of the materials. You can select car paint, brushed nickel. Aluminum is one of my favorite, really high. Changing the ring right around here, you can sort of see the bumpiness in the aluminum. Change the accent. Maybe some yellow brushed nickel there. And one of my favorites is carbon fiber for the outer ring on the outside here. Now, like I said, these materials are being physically simulated. Also, this is all dynamic lighting using global illumination. And because it's dynamic, we can change the lighting, and that's reflected on the gauge. So you can imagine maybe a camera in the car that's showing, that's taking data in from the ambient environment and using that to change the way the gauge looks depending on the direction of the lighting, the color of the lighting, and also the other materials that are in the car. And of course, what you're seeing on the big screen.